Your 20s can either set you up for a lifetime of success or trap you in regret. The choice? That's yours. But most people waste this decade on things that don't matter, and then spend the rest of their lives wishing they could go back. Don't let that be you. The harsh truth. Here's the reality. Your 20s are not for figuring it out later. They're for building the habits, skills, and network that will carry you for decades. Yes, you should have fun. But if all you do is party, scroll, and wait for life to start, you'll wake up at 30 wondering where all the time went. Step 1. Master your skills. Learn skills that actually make money. Not just what's trendy today, but skills that will still matter 10 years from now. Coding, sales, copywriting, public speaking, whatever your field is, become so good that people can't ignore you. Step 2. Build your network. Your network will open more doors than any degree ever could. Surround yourself with ambitious, driven people. Go to events, join communities, collaborate. The people you meet now might become your business partners, mentors, or clients later. Step 3. Manage your money. Stop wasting every paycheck on things that don't matter. Learn how to save, invest, and multiply your money. Because your 20s aren't about showing off, they're about quietly building the foundation for your 30s, 40s, and beyond. Step 4. Take risks early. Your 20s are the best time to take risks. Start that side hustle. Travel to a new city. Try something bold. You don't have the same responsibilities yet. So this is the time to experiment without fear. Step 5. Take care of your body and mind. Your health is your real wealth. Exercise, eat right, sleep well. Your brain works better when your body does, and your future self will thank you for every good habit. Don't waste your 20s waiting for the right moment. The right moment is now, because the seeds you plant today will become the life you live tomorrow. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more self-growth videos, and share this with a friend who needs to hear it. Your future self is counting on you.